Let's start. Today we will see how to create single-choice chips in Flutter Android. Let's see the main.dart file. First, we import this Dart package. Then, we create the stateless widget called myApp in the main function. This is the myApp stateless widget. We create a material app and apply a theme in the build function. The home attribute is set to a stateful widget called myHomePage. This is the myHomePage stateful widget. Here we create a state object of this stateful widget, whose name is _myHomePageState. This is _myHomePageState class. Here we will design our app. These are the data members. This is the list of names for the chips. And this variable will be used to hold the index of the selected chip. By default, it is set to -1. In the build function, we have a scaffold widget upon which we will build other widgets. The app bar attribute is set to the app bar widget. We have used the title variable as the title of this app bar. The body attribute is set to the listView.builder widget. Using this widget we can create a list of chips. The scroll direction of this list of chips is horizontal. The item count is set to the length of the chips list. In the item builder attribute, we will design the chips. Here, first, we create a container widget. Inside that, we have a choice chip. The text of the chips is taken from the chips list. The selected attribute is set to the value variable, which is set to the current index. When a chip is selected, then, this onSelected function gets called. Here, we set the clicked chip as selected. And set the previously selected chip as unselected. Then, we set various attributes of the chips like elevation, colors, padding, etc. Let's run the app. As you can see, when I click a chip, it gets selected, and meanwhile, the other chip gets unselected. So at a time, only a single chip can be selected. So that's it. That's how you can create the single choice chips in Flutter Android. Thank you.